After 50, our next question is 18th question. This is a practical independent current source. So practical already we discussed in practical independent voltage source. The same thing is here. Same explanation here also we are getting. Okay. So it's mean practically whatever the current source we are giving at source end, the same current we are not getting at load end because of the losses. But in voltage source we are taking a series resistance because parallelly voltage is constant and series voltage is changing. But in current what's happened? In series current is constant and parallelly current completely changes. Because of that we are taking the resistance is completely in parallel with the current source. That is the major difference between a practical independent voltage source and a practical independent current source. So previously we have taken RSC, series resistance, but here we are taking shunt resistance. RSH means shunt resistance. Okay, so that is the only difference between a practical independent voltage source and a practical independent current source. Okay, you remember here, because of the RSH current through the terminals slightly decreases with increasing in voltage across its terminals. So here we have taken source current. So with this source current we are taking one shunt resistance. So whatever the current we are taking here irrespective of voltage changes, so we are getting at load end it slightly differs the current. So that one we can mention in VI characteristics here. Source current is slightly differs with the load current. So this is the load current line and this is the source current. So source current here and load current here. Okay.